For Wall Street Media, I'm Mike, I'm here with Doug, and we'll help you make money in the stock market with information you can't find anywhere else.
Super cool stuff from Roth.
We have video highlights and a couple of notes, and if you're interested in the full presentation, you can go to wsw.com/webcast/Roth20. First up, a video of Mark Weinstein, President and CEO of Bioimaging Technologies, ticker BITI, reports strong fourth quarter results and plans for the future. Let's take a look.
A couple things on the financial highlights. Our service revenues, fourth quarter of 2008, increased 48% to $15 million versus $10.1. Attributable, part of that was $4.1 million from Phoenix Data Systems. Income from continuing operations before interest and taxes increased 62%. And income from continuing operations net of taxes increased 72% to $1.7 million. So we had a good fourth quarter. We rounded out the year on a strong note. Our service revenues were up 50%. Our income from continuing operations was up 62%. Once again, this, I think, is a testament to the leverageable business model we have developed and going forward. And the other piece is we are a backlog-driven business. We have about $92 million of backlog, which is unearned revenue of secured projects. Just a couple snapshots out of the K and the Q. As far as when we talk about moving the company forward, with Phoenix being brought in, we increased our management team. We have global FDA-compliant capabilities, global sales and marketing, very, very leverageable base. From the public company side, we probably spend close to $1.5 million to stay public, and obviously that's a leverageable expense going up. And with software development capabilities and therapeutic expertise now across the 4 major therapeutic areas, we think we're very well positioned for growth.
And we're back.
I love these guys. They're situated right where I grew up.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Pennsylvania.
About 2 miles away in Bucks County in wonderful old Newtown, man. Mm-hmm. Good, solid, wonderful company.
They weren't around when you were growing up, right?
No, I don't think they were. They're still standing.
Okay. The next video we have is of Jesse Sutton, CEO of Majesco Entertainment, ticker COOL. Talks about the handheld Nintendo DS platform. Let's take a look.
Thanks, Jesse. So, how does this strategy that Jesse reviewed with you translate into financial? Well, we believe that the strategy that we have translates very well financially. It, first of all, is a much lower risk profile than the larger video game companies that are spending millions upon millions of dollars on these games, both in development and marketing. Our development costs range anywhere from, as Jesse said, $100,000 up to $1.5 million for some of our Wii games. We make money on virtually every game that we make. A few exceptions to that, but by and large, all of our games are profitable. And what we're doing is giving ourselves increased opportunities to come up with a hit such as either Cooking Mama or Jillian Michaels. The other way that it's lower risk is that there's a shorter time to market, so the money doesn't sit on the balance sheet for a very long time. The DS games take anywhere from 3 to 6 months to make on average, and the Wii games are anywhere from 6 months to a little over a year. Whereas on the other platforms, the Xbox 360 and the PlayStation 3, you could be talking about 2 years plus. So we're able to, capture trends that are happening now and translate them pretty quickly into product.
And we're back.
Do they have the coolest ticker in the world?
Cool.
Yes, thumbs up. I like these guys. They got some big name franchises for the handheld entertainment.
Okay. That's pretty cool. Haha. Okay, next note.
That's German humor for those of you
right
in the audience.
A couple of notes also. Jose Ibarra, CFO of RG Berry Corporation, ticker DFZ. Company's customers for the retail management business, JCPenney's, Kohl's, Sears, Macy's, Walmart, etc. They primarily source with China and have constant growth. Stephen Hansborough, Chairman and CEO of Here USA, ticker... What?
Go ahead.
Here USA, ticker EAR, talked about the acquisition of Helix, which led to $500,000 in annual sales. He also talked about how they were selected by the AARP to provide hearing aids for members. Very funny, though.
I like this guy. This guy loves his business. He's been doing it since I was out there 8 or 9 years ago. Mm-hmm. And he gets up and he's a passionate businessman, loves his business.
Mm-hmm. And I think it's growing, right? More and more people are losing their ability to hear.
Absolutely. All the boomers with all the iPods jammed in their ears all these years, man, is just going to make his business bigger and bigger.
Yeah, I think so too. Gideon Mantle, CEO of ComTouch Software, ticker CTCH, discussed their focus on web security and a recurrent pattern detection technology, which has doubled their revenue potential. Increased cloud computing will drive their revenues through economic decline.
An economic decline, you will see. The Dow is now down one more point than we did the last show. Of course, that's been 4 minutes. We're going straight down, gang.
NASDAQ is down almost 4%.
Yeah.
That's quite a bit. You don't do that too often.
Oh, you're going to do it a lot. It's going to be the future here in front of Jimmy Carter II. You're going to need to pick. Listen, I'm a long guy. I'm biased for long. I'm not a short guy, right? Every once in a while I'll jump in a short story. But I'm long biased. I like a good product, a good service, a good management team. And in this kind of environment where we got Jimmy Carter II leading things and leading us into ruin, it's going to be really, really important that you get a feel for the management team and for the quality of the management team of a company. How vested are they? How enthusiastic are they? And how hard are they going to work? Because it's going to be tough out there, kids. And you want to listen to these presentations. We're going to give you a good starting point. But after I give you a starting point, go back, listen to the full presentation, look at the slides, see if you think as much of it as I do, right? And do a little bit more research, because it's going to be tough sledding out there. And you're going to want to be in on the teams where the guys are vested in the company, been with the company, have plans for the company, and tell you what they're doing.
Again, if you're interested in any of these presentations and want to view their slides, you can go to wsw.com/webcast/Roth20. And we're here every day at Wall Street Media. You can find us directly at wsmco.com. Thanks.